What's going on YouTube? Today I'm installing some puddle lights on this Maserati Ghibli. So if you're wondering what puddle lights are, they're these little lights that illuminate the path when you walk into the door. So right here under your foot, this whole spot is lit up. And the actual light is right here. So all I'm gonna do is replace these current puddle lights with some custom Maserati puddle lights by Shadow Light. So what you're gonna wanna do is get a flathead screwdriver like this one right here and simply get along the outer edges of the light and simply just pop it out. Just like that. And when you pop it out, you're gonna see a little wire hanging right here at the back. Simply disconnect that wire by taking a flathead screwdriver, a smaller one, and kind of sticking it in between this pocket right here and just pull straight out. Just like that. So as you guys can see here, when I try to plug in the new light, it actually doesn't fit for this car. But what they give you in the package is this little adapter piece right here. All you're gonna do is take this white part, slide it into the light, and yep, should slide all the way down just like that. So once you get that white piece in, what you wanna do is slide these prongs right here into that white plug back there. And just like that, we have life. So your last step is just to push all this back into that little chamber there. And tuck everything in like this. And just like that, in less than 5 minutes, you have the Maserati logo on your Ghibli. And in just about 10 to 15 minutes, all 4 doors are complete. And if we take a closer look, we can see all the details in the light. Looks pretty good. This is the Maserati logo. Got your Maserati badge right here, letters right here. Cool font. And if you guys have any questions about the installation, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you haven't seen my other videos, I have a couple more just like this with the same installation for the puddle lights on an Audi A4 and a Mercedes-Benz C300. I have a couple more cars coming up soon. Like I said before, if you want to check out where the body's at, it's on Amazon for about 18 bucks. Link in the description below. Other than that, thanks for watching.